Hi everyone, it's Heidi from WTI. Do you struggle with redness in your complexion? You're not alone, but I've found that this IT Cosmetics Bye Redness Cream has helped to neutralize the redness on my cheeks and anywhere I have a blemish. This color is light beige and the coverage is very creamy without any cakey feeling. Just as little is needed to blend away the redness. You could use a brush or I just apply it with my finger. Just go ahead, put it on your skin over the areas that you find are red, and afterwards just apply your makeup as usual. I love the results that it gives me. The coverage is just beautiful. So say bye-bye to redness on your skin with this IT Cosmetics Bye Redness Neutralizing Correcting Cream. It's worked so well for me. Bye redness. And that's my point of view.